This is Dalhousie University, Halifax, Nova Scotia, Canada.
Ladies and gentlemen, please rise.
Natasha Marie Pham, Bachelor of Music with Distinction. Natasha Beth Fransblow, Bachelor of Music with Distinction. Ryan George Marcus Kirk, Bachelor of Music. Mark Lee, Bachelor of Music. Sarah Ruth Chater Lavies, Bachelor of Music with Distinction. Paul Anthony Medeiros, Bachelor of Music with Distinction and the University Medal in Music. Mark Lloyd Anthony Morton, Bachelor of Music with Distinction. Maria Elaine Murphy, Bachelor of Music with Distinction. Robert David Reed, Bachelor of Music. Jennifer Smeltzer, Bachelor of Music. Rebecca Lynn Top, Bachelor of Music with Distinction. Mr. Chancellor, this concludes the presentation of candidates who are here today to receive the bachelor's degree.
Mr. Chancellor, I have the honor to present to you the following candidates who have fulfilled all of the requirements for the degree Master of Arts. Ibrahim Badawi, Master of Arts in History. Genevieve Hazel Mazer, Master of Arts, History. Christopher Douglas Matthews, Master of Arts in History. Colin Samuel Rose, Master of Arts in History. Anna Kathleen Sheridan Jonah, Master of Arts in Philosophy. Mr. Chancellor, this concludes the presentation of candidates who are here today to receive the Master of Arts degree. Mr. Chancellor, the degree Doctor of Philosophy is the highest earned degree awarded by the university, and as such represents the culmination of the candidate's educational achievement. I am pleased to present to you the following candidates who, through thesis and examination, have fulfilled the requirements for the degree Doctor of Philosophy. The awarding of the PhD degree completes a long cooperation between the student and his or her thesis advisor. We are pleased in this ceremony also to recognize the supervisor of the doctoral candidate, and we ask the supervisor to stand and present the parchment to the student following hooding. Following the awarding of the degree and hooding, it is with great pleasure that I invite our newest PhDs to join the faculty on stage. Chidi Igwe, Doctor of Philosophy and French, and his supervisor, Dr. Raymond Mapoho. Alain Flaubert-Tackham, Doctor of Philosophy and French, and his supervisor, Dr. Raymond Mapoho. Megan Birchmore Timney, Doctor of Philosophy and English. Her supervisor is Dr. Marjorie Stone. Mr. Chancellor, this concludes the presentation of the candidates who are here today to receive the degree Doctor of Philosophy.
Ladies and gentlemen, I ask you now to join me in congratulating all of our graduates with your applause.